Yep. So hey, today, the 14th of June, I hit 400 subscribers at around 10, 11 o'clock at night. So put this together and just show you some pictures of what I did today. This is all what happened today, and being attacked by cicadas, crazy little fart knocking bugs. I think they're gay. They keep coming after me because the males are supposed to come after the females. So I'm not sure what's going on here. Enjoy the show. He's crazy, man. Happy 400th. Man, they're attracted to me. There's no trees around. I don't know where the fuck they're coming from. They're coming from somewhere. Watch this. They'll come at me again. Hey, one thing I just wanted to point out why I wear these tall boots. These are actually Georgia boots. I get them at Tractor Supply. The leather will last forever, but the soles, they just fall apart. It's because they're polyurethane. It's actually a lighter boot. I like them because I can walk backwards doing this. Most boots you can't. So it's the only reason why I keep buying them, even though they fall apart, but I can walk backwards. And the 8-inch tall boot keeps the crap from destroying your ankles and all the grass out of your shoes as well. So that's just why I do that, in case you're wondering. Probably not, but I just thought I'd point it out. So I'm gonna get attacked again, so keep your eyes peeled. That was 3 at one time. I hope they're the females, because if they're the males, I got some inner looking to do. That's crazy. That I wasn't expecting cicadas here. There's no trees. So, well, I guess they're up everywhere. They hear that weed whacker more so than a leaf blower, but that weed whacker's got the perfect harmonics. I think it's the string sounds like their wings flapping. And from what I understand, the males are attracted to the females flapping their wings, so I'm not too happy about that. Anyway, I was gonna make some crazy cool video, but this is just what happens to me every day. It's a stupid shit. I just don't film it. And anyway, I'll finish this one up. Yeah, so right here, a car went about 100 mile an hour past. Come on, you know they saw me. These people are freaking assholes, man, I tell you. You gotta be careful. No, I'm not even that far on the road, and they don't give a shit. But anyway, so I just do these 3 properties here, all across from each other. And I think I got it locked into when the other guys do the other 2 properties, so they all look together. And just a video at the end of this where just showing the leaf blower. I like watching this. This is my favorite part of the whole job, is blowing off with the leaf blower. Just getting so good at angling the wind and knowing how to blow it. And, yeah, it don't sound right. Anyway, but you know what I'm saying. Making tornadoes. There you go. That's cool. Tornadoes are cool, right? Alright, so enjoy the video. And hey, thanks again for the 400th subscriber. Appreciate it. Appreciate to all the others and everybody who are still following and have joined from the very beginning. And also, to keep up with the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next cut. Thank you very much. And yes, I'm being attacked again by these damn cicadas. They will not leave me alone. Little fart knockers.